Hi Asad, and this is Flavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work in the morning as well as our time schedule, and it was 9 in the morning. And then first of all check all my mailbox, beta team, rental channel, and also clean my inbox mail, and then I go to my regular work. It was today have remained some product of Goldcrest that was Amazon site, so I work on research on Amazon site. In the meantime I done my KG ad also, and I done all the product Amazon. Actually I didn't get the product. I have 2 product, but it is already in our inventory. Recently we ordered that, and this time I got many products of Goldcrest, but actually I got some few product from there because of a maximum product already recently ordered, and that's why I cannot take that product. So I take all BA tax list as your instruction, and that was PO form document names, and I done FC and RSR. So please check our work, how done that work is actually. So that is today's work, and that's all. So thank you for watching my video.